Hello and welcome to Fatto A Mano. I'm John. Today we'll be making linguini con funghi, or linguini with mushrooms. Let's get started on our pasta. Again, we use 1/5 all-purpose flour to 4/5 semolina. Add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and we go ahead and start the extrusion process. Alright, linguini is a little bit of a thicker pasta. I like it nice and long so that we can create those nice strands. Now let's talk about our ingredients for this dish. We're going to need minced garlic, parsley. We're going to need mushrooms chopped 3 ways, small, medium, and large. We're going to need pepper, salt, Parmigiano Reggiano, as well as chicken stock, olive oil, and butter, and of course, our handmade pasta, linguini for today. Start off with a little bit of olive oil in the pan, add some butter, and add in our minced garlic. You want to slowly let the garlic cook down so that it gives it a nice sweet taste. If you overcook it, you won't get that sweet taste that we like in our garlic. Add in the smallest mushrooms that you cut first. We're going to get those cooked down. Now we can add in our medium-sized cut mushrooms. Cook those down as well, and then our large cut. Add in olive oil as you go. Make sure that all of the mushrooms are thoroughly cooked, even with a little bit of char on it. You want to add in half the parsley that you cut prior to starting the dish. Salt, pepper as we go. Let that all marry together and cook down. And once we're done with the process of cooking our mushrooms down, then we can go ahead and add in our chicken stock. Now let's go ahead and start boiling our pasta. Again, since this pasta is handmade, it only takes about 45 seconds to a minute and a half. This is a little bit thicker pasta, so it takes a little bit longer, but since it's still fresh, not very long at all. Okay, now that the pasta is done, we can start adding it into our pan to marry the sauce. Add in some pasta water, add in some Parmesan cheese, a little bit more butter, a little bit more cheese as well, more pasta water. We want to get a nice, even sauce. We want the pasta to be completely coated with our mushroom sauce. Make sure you get all that sauce out onto the plate. A little bit more Parmesan cheese with the parsley, and we have a completed dish once again. Linguini con funghi, or linguini with mushrooms. Enjoy.